Hey everybody, welcome to another video and good morning from Kathmandu, and welcome to the Durbar Square, which is one of the main tourist attractions here in Kathmandu. It's a huge complex filled with ancient temples and shrines, both Hindu and Buddhist. It's also the past residence of the old kings of Nepal, so this area is packed with history and beautiful art and architecture, so let's go check it out. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Hello. 1,000 rupees.
Where you from?
US.
Yes.
Seems happy. Happy person. Happy.
Oh, happy? Yeah, thank you. So admission for the square is relatively expensive. It cost 1,000 Nepali rupees for foreigners, and at the current exchange rate of about 113 Nepali rupees for $1 US, that comes out to about $8.77 US, which is relatively expensive. But as you can see, they're doing a lot of restorations here. There was a major earthquake in 2015 which damaged and destroyed a lot of these ancient buildings. So most of the money goes to restoring and maintaining these buildings, so it's a small price to pay. Thank you. So that was the ticket for the museum. Evidence of the earthquake everywhere. The building is clearly leaning. Lunchtime, veg momos and Coke. About 70 US cents and 40 US cents. That's it, everybody, for the tour of Durbar Square. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.